What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video, guys, is about a stock that I'm loading up on. You already know I'm going to put you guys up on game, and so in case you want to invest in this with me and earn a bunch of money together, you'll have a chance to do so. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $51,408.24 on the day. We're down 0.25%, guys. On the week, we are down over 3.5%. On the month, we are up over 3.5%. If I take you guys out 3.5 months, we are up over 7.5%. If I take you guys out 1 year, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 16%. And the same thing can be said for all time. Guys, we are up over 16%. Listen, man, if you're new here, I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day and show you guys how to properly build your investment portfolio. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, guys, today the market is still down. That means it's Christmas for us investors that love to invest in this type of market, okay? I am more than happy with the prices I'm seeing. I see a lot of sales in the market right now, and I'm loving it. However, today, guys, I want to tell you about a stock that I'm loading up on. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, ticker symbol RKT, otherwise known as Rocket Companies. You may know this as Quicken Loans. Listen, guys, they're currently sitting at $24.40. Guys, they have been up all week and they have finally cooled off to take a breather. And I am loving this stock sitting below $25 right now. So, guys, if you don't know, times like this is not when you panic. This is the time where you corral your dollars together and you buy low. You always hear it, but sometimes you guys are not applying it. The name of the game is to buy low and sell high. If you like me, you buy low and hold, okay? These are the days that you buy low, not complain that your stock is down. Make a mental note of that. Guys, Rocket is under $25. If you don't know about Quicken Loans and mortgages and things like that, let me tell you this really quickly. They are working on taking 25% of the market share in their arena, okay? In their lane, they're coming to dominate, long story short. I'm going to show you guys something that I want you to start paying attention to as you do your own research and as you invest in certain companies, all right? Look at this really quickly. Let's go down here to market cap. Right now, as you can see, guys, they are $2.5 billion company, as you can see, almost $2.5 billion. So if they are going to double, that would make them a $5 billion company. They are coming for blood and they have every intention to be a $5 billion company. So what does that mean for you? And what does that mean for us investors if this company is about to put the pedal to the metal? That means that at this current price that it's going to double. So listen, guys, this is a mid to long term play because this is a cyclical play, meaning right now the housing market is doing what it's doing, but we're going into the fall. People may or may not be buying houses. However, you guys know when house buying season picks up, and of course, this is when this stock will pick up. So if you go into this with me, make sure that you got a clear and full understanding on how this stock plays out, okay? It may still do some damage because they are one of the more tech savvy mortgage lenders, okay? So they're in the now. They're not one of these old antiquated mortgage home type companies, all right? They are with all the new technology and things of that nature. However, with that being said, they still fall victim, just like their earnings report showed you. They still can fall victim from hitting home runs and the stock still dropping. For me, I'm loving that it's dropping because this just gives me the chance to buy this under $25, okay? The other thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that, again, January, February, March, back when it started warming up again, April, when we head into spring, May, June, this stock will take off and go through the roof. It can do that before then. I'm just giving you the time horizon so that you can be mindful of when it will pop and when it will shoot to the moon. But regardless of that, guys, I'm loading up on this. I couldn't wait to share this one with you today. I think I introduced this one to you a while back anyway, but again, I'm increasing my position and making sure that I'm set up for the long run in this one. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is pullback. Guys, I wanted to talk to you about a pullback because that's what we're having in the market right now, and I think it's healthy. I think it's a beautiful thing. I am super excited about yesterday and today with the way the market has been reacting. This is healthy, guys. This is not a bad thing. This is a healthy thing. You can never constantly go up, 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 and up. At some point, no matter what you're doing in life, you should want to pull back. A pullback is healthy because, for one, I want you guys to look at this as if we were driving a car. If you are going 100 miles per hour all the time, at some point when you see that police officer sitting in that authorized area, you may reduce your speed to 80, or you may reduce your speed to the speed limit so that you don't get a ticket. That's all that's taking place right now. Stocks, especially what we invest in, growth stocks primarily, has been taking off. They've been flying. And so right now they're just putting their foot on the gas just a little bit. We call that a cool off. Technically it's known as a pullback, okay? That's not for you to panic, however. That is for you to say, man, the stocks that I already love are at a much lower price right now, so let me buy more. Let me increase my shares in this particular company or that particular company, okay? So a pullback is a healthy thing. A pullback in this particular case is needed because the market has ran too far too fast, and so this is just a healthy correction right here, guys. Don't be dismayed. Don't let this freak you out. Again, stay the course. You guys made my day with how many of you reacted the right way to the pullback we had yesterday when we talked about Tesla and Apple. So, man, keep that up. You guys have me extremely proud with each and every one of you. We got 20,000 people that's starting to get it, and it's starting to click for you guys, and I'm just happy. Okay, guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Breezy Man. He said, Chris, my dude, just want to thank you for your passion and your ability to connect to your subscribers and community. I follow a few other stock channels, and honestly, they're not as passionate or take the time to make sure their community really understands what they preach. You've made me understand the market better and not buy impulsively. And thanks to you and what you've been preaching, I've made great profits. And with that and what I've learned so far, I know I'll continue to make profits. I look forward to continue to take your advice and use it in my portfolio. When they sleep, we eat. Breezy Man, I thank you for this, guys. Hey, man, I can't thank you enough, all of you guys that tune in each and every day, each and every video. Again, it's a lot of my time to come on here to give you this game every day, but you guys make it all worth it. Again, I told you guys from the jump, I don't know nobody that kicked the stock market game the way I do. And so it was imperative that I got on here to teach you guys something that I knew we all could win at. This is the only game where we all can choose one stock to invest in. There's not a pissing match. There's not an ego to be involved. It's just, hey, guys, we're going to buy this stock at $25. Everybody buys at $25. When it go up to $50, we all double our money and we all win. That's the power as well as the beauty of the stock market. It's communal in nature. It allows everybody to be inclusively involved and win together. And on here, you guys already know, on my channel, I make sure everybody eats. Again, we are all about making sure everybody wins because I believe we all we got. And so we can continue to sharpen each other and make each other better, love on each other in the comments, help each other out. Again, I can't see nothing but huge success for each and every one of you guys. Listen, guys, as the channel grows, we will have more trolls and more people that don't know how we've been getting down over here. So just ignore those people. You always going to have a few haters along the journey. But I don't want to belabor the point, man. Hey, listen, if you have comments, make sure you leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.